In this video, I'm going to show you how to make an extra $200 a day with Cpalead. And this is going to be an extension of a video I already made on the channel. And if you've not seen that video, I highly recommend to check out the card above this video right now to go watch that video. So all you simply need to do is to come over to cpalead.com. So once you come over to Cpalead, you want to simply create an account by clicking on the create an account button. So once you do that, it's going to bring you to this page where you simply need to enter your basic information and you want to click on register. So once you do that, your account is going to be created and your dashboard should look like this. And now I'm going to show you how to use this website that gets over 7 billion visits every single month, and most of this traffic comes from tier 1 countries. So if you scroll down here, you can see majority of the traffic, over 40%, is from United States, while the rest are spread across other tier 1 countries aside from India right here. Okay, and the website is reddit.com, and I'm going to show you how to use this subreddit to make money promoting CPA offers. Okay, and the subreddit is reddit.com/r/freebies. And if you think of it, a lot of people are looking for freebies online, and they would definitely appreciate if you share some CPA offers that is going to help them get free stuff online. All right, so if you come over to this subreddit, people are sharing freebies, as you can see. So if I scroll down more, you can see this is also another giveaway here, telling people they can use this code to get a discount. So I'm going to show you how you can promote CPA offers on this subreddit and make money with this audience. And before we proceed, if you come over to the description of this subreddit, as you can see, we love free stuff, free pointless stuff, free t-shirt, free food, free stickers, as long as it's 100% free. Okay, like I said, I'm going to show you how to give people free stuff on this subreddit and make money in return. So once you come over to your Cpalead account, all you need to do is to come over to the search section and you want to type in free right here. Like I said, this subreddit wants only free stuff. Okay, so if you do that, you're going to see a lot of CPA offers that are going to give people free stuff. All right, and as you can see, this offer here for United States, which is going to pay you $4.28, getting people to sign up to this offer. Okay, so now if we click on this offer, all you simply need to do is to scroll down here where you are going to see description, and you can see right here, if people use this code when they sign up to this offer, they are going to get free $1. And on top of that, you are going to make $4.28 for just referring people to sign up to this offer. So as you can see, it's a win-win situation. Okay, and you want to copy your affiliate link. So once you copy your affiliate link, it's always a good practice to shorten your affiliate link using any URL shortener of your choice. You can use tinyurl to do this, or you can use bit.ly.com to do this. All you simply need to do is to scroll down and you want to paste in your affiliate link in this box. So once you do that, all you then need to do is to click on get your link for free. So once you do that, you are going to see your shortened link, and all you simply need to do is to click on copy. And now the final step is creating content which you will be using to promote this offer on this subreddit. And that is where Canva comes in, and all you simply need to do is to go over to canva.com to create a free account. Once you create an account, you want to simply come over to where it says create a design. And if you do this, you're going to see this section that says custom size. You want to click on it, then you want to type in 1000 by 1000 pixels, and you want to click on create new design. So once you do that, it's going to bring you to this page. And since we are promoting this NWeb offer, which is going to help people make money online, and once people sign up, they can get $1 right away. You then want to search for templates about making money online. All you just need to do is to type in make money online. If you do this, you're going to see a lot of templates provided to you by Canva you can use right away. So for me, I'm going to take this template here and I'm going to customize this template. All right, so the first thing you want to do is to delete this section. We don't need it. All right, and here you want to type in call to actions like this. You can see I've just customized this template. Use this code free 378 to get $1, link below. And the reason I use this 378 is because this is what is provided to us by this CPA offer. And like I said, someone is already doing this on this subreddit, which means we can do this as well. All right, so once you do this, all you just need to then do is to click on share, and you'll be able to download this image right away to your device. So once you download it, all you then need to do is to come over to where it says create a post. So once you do that, you are going to be given two options to create a post, which is by creating a post using images or using a link. So now if you want to use an image, all you just need to do from here is to upload the image you created on Canva. So once you do that, all you simply need to then do is to give it a title like this. Use code FREE378 to get $1 bonus. And now you want to come over to where it says add flair. All right, so if you do this, you want to select the country you are targeting. Okay, and since you are targeting United States, you want to make sure to select US only, because this offer is going to pay us $4 for getting conversions from United States, and you want to click on add. So once you do this, all you simply need to then do is to post this to this subreddit. So once you make this post, all you then need to do is to then go to the comments, and this is where you want to paste in the shortened link you made on Canva. As you can see, it says link below, so people know they have to go into the comment to get the link where they are going to then type in this code. So the second format is using the link option. This is where you want to paste in the affiliate link directly, and once you do this, as you can see, you can post this directly to this subreddit and start getting targeted traffic to this offer. And like I said, you're going to get paid $4 for everyone who signs up to this offer. And on top of that, you have this fast pay feature, which means whatever money you make today, you can request for payout tomorrow and get paid straight away to your account. So if you enjoyed this video, then I recommend to check out this video on the screen, as this is the next video you should watch after this one.